So, did you ever wonder what it is to unleash the leader within you? There are 3 secrets that I'm going to share in this video, and these 3 secrets are going to make it possible for you to discover the leader that is within you. Secret number 1: identify with yourself. As per the research, there are 5 big traits that people have, and these 5 traits, 5 different traits, are extraversion, agreeableness, openness, conscientiousness, and neuroticism. Now, you might fall in any of these 5 categories. You might be an extrovert, which means you talk a lot, you're open, you go make friends. You may be wanting to be agreeable, which means you try to always be with the way things are going. You like to be with the crowd. You don't like to be taken apart from the crowd. You might be open. You are willing to learn. You want to explore things. You want to do new things. You're just open like a child. You might be conscientious. You might worry about what people will think. You might worry about whether it is right or wrong, whether to do something or not to do something. That could be your trait. Or you could be a neurotic, which means you like things to be perfect. Now, the point is not whether these 5 traits are better or worse. The point is that you need to identify with the trait that you have. You might be one of these, but knowing that is important, because once you know who you are is when you start exploring your real self. That's secret number 1. Secret number 2: find your SWOT. What is SWOT? Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. These are the 4 quadrants of your personality. Find out your strengths, what you're good at. Find out your weaknesses, what you're not good at. Find out your opportunities. What are these opportunities that are showing up to you? And find out the threats. What are these threats that are bothering you? Now, the exercise begins, and we move to secret number 3. And secret number 3 is to find ways to make your weaknesses into opportunities, into strength, and your threats into your opportunities. How could you do that? So let's list it out. Let's see if you have done your SWOT already. I'll give you 2 minutes to do your SWOT, and you come back to this video. Pause this video now, make your strength, weakness, opportunities, threats on a 4-quadrant chart, and then come back to this video in 2 minutes, and we will see how we can convert your threats and your weaknesses into your strengths and your opportunities. Okay, so I believe you have come back after completing your SWOT. So one of your strengths might be, and I'm just guessing, one of your strengths might be that you are a great listener, and one of your weakness could be that you get bogged down by too much information. So here is what you do. Listening is a skill, and it can bog you down with information. So first you appreciate the fact that your weakness is coming from your strength, and therefore you should be in a way proud of it. Now look for ways of not getting bogged down. So one of the ways of doing that is to write down those information and decide which ones are useful for you. Chances are some of them are not worthwhile for you, but you're just hanging on to them because you're a great listener. Remove them from your plate. Take only what matters. So now you are not exactly a selective listener, but you are a listener who also knows when to intelligently select what matters to you. Step number 2. So you would have probably written some of your opportunities as in your work front, whatever it is that is happening, whatever it is that is coming up. And you might have written that one of your threats is the fear that it will be taken away from you. Now again, understand that your threat is coming from your opportunity. So you should be proud of the fact that you have an opportunity, and that is why you are feeling threatened that you might be taken, it might be taken away from you for various reasons. What could be those reasons? Maybe you think you don't measure up. Maybe you think somebody else is better than you. So why don't you just list it down? What are these things which you feel you don't measure up, or you feel that it's not worthwhile for you to get it and somebody else should get it? Look at those people's threats. Maybe they are feeling the same way. And why bother about whether you will get something or not because of your weaknesses? Because understand that you have as many strengths as well, and very useful strengths, because that is what has brought you so far. So guys, 3 secrets, and that is 3 secrets to achieve the leader in you, and that is identify with yourself, the 5 personality traits, you remember? Know your SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, and make your weaknesses your strengths and your threats your opportunities. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.